5 signs a woman is more sexually passionate than you realized. Whether you're in a new relationship or looking to spice things up with your partner, understanding these signs can lead to a deeper connection and a more fulfilling intimate life. Sign 1. Initiates intimate moments. One of the first signs that a woman is more sexually passionate than you realized is when she takes the lead in initiating intimate moments. This could be anything from initiating kisses, cuddling up close, or suggesting new activities in the bedroom. Pay attention to her body language and verbal cues. They can speak volumes about her desires. Sign 2. Open communication about fantasies. Another key sign is when a woman is open and comfortable discussing her sexual fantasies with you. When she feels safe and secure enough to share her deepest desires, it shows a level of trust and intimacy that can lead to a more exciting and fulfilling sex life for both partners. Sign 3. Expresses desire for physical touch. If you notice that she craves physical touch beyond just sexual intimacy, such as holding hands, hugging, or playful touching throughout the day, it could be a sign of her heightened sexual passion. Physical touch is a powerful way for her to express her affection and desire for you. Sign 4. Initiates new experiences. A woman who is sexually passionate may also be more inclined to suggest trying out new experiences in the bedroom. Whether it's exploring new positions, incorporating toys, or experimenting with role play, her willingness to step out of her comfort zone indicates a desire for excitement and variety in your intimate life. Sign 5. Demonstrates confidence and assertiveness. Lastly, a woman who exudes confidence and assertiveness in her sexuality is likely more sexually passionate than you realized. When she knows what she wants and isn't afraid to ask for it, it creates a dynamic and electrifying energy in the bedroom that can take your intimate moments to new heights.